Today, I am going to show you how to post an article to LinkedIn. For this tutorial, I'm using a blog post from Intero Advisory. When you find an article that you would like to share on your LinkedIn, the first thing you will need to do is copy the URL to that article. Then you will go to your LinkedIn homepage and click on Post. Next, you will paste the URL into the box. Once you see the image for your post show up, you can go ahead and delete the URL. In the open space above the post image, type a caption for your post. Once you have finished writing your caption, we suggest adding 2 or 3 hashtags to your post. The last step is to simply click the post button.